If you're a fan of massive machines and raw digging power, you're going to love this. Today we're watching a giant Cat 385C hydraulic excavator loading dump trucks in just 3 passes, and honestly, the size and efficiency of this machine are incredible. From the deep engine sounds to the smooth hydraulic movements, this is the kind of heavy equipment action that never gets old. Whether you're into mining machinery, construction equipment, or just satisfying machine operation, this video delivers non-stop action from start to finish. Right away, you can see just how massive the Cat 385C really is. Pictures and videos almost never do these machines justice until you see them next to trucks and people. This excavator was built for serious earth-moving work, designed to handle huge amounts of material in mining operations, quarries, and large construction projects. Everything about it is oversized, from the tracks and boom to the massive bucket that's capable of moving tons of material in a single scoop. As the operator swings the excavator into position, you can already tell there's a lot of experience behind the controls. Smooth movements, perfect timing, and no wasted motion. That's something you notice immediately with skilled heavy equipment operators. Machines this large require precision and patience. One small mistake can waste time, fuel, and productivity, so experienced operators know how to keep every movement controlled and efficient. Watch as the bucket digs into the overburden. The force this excavator generates is unbelievable. Even though the material looks heavy and compacted, the Cat 385C cuts through it with ease. The hydraulic system on this machine is incredibly powerful, allowing the excavator to fill the bucket quickly while maintaining smooth operation. You can actually see the weight of the load as the boom rises and swings toward the waiting dump truck. And here comes one of the most satisfying parts of the entire operation. The excavator swings over the truck and drops a full load directly into the bed with incredible accuracy. No hesitation, no wasted material, just a clean and efficient dump. This is exactly why machines like the Cat 385C are so valuable in mining and construction environments. Faster loading times mean trucks spend less time waiting and more time moving material. One thing that really stands out during operations like this is the teamwork between the excavator operator and the truck driver. Both operators have to work together almost perfectly to maintain a smooth cycle. The truck needs to be positioned correctly, the excavator needs enough swing clearance, and timing has to stay consistent. When everything works together, you get highly efficient loading cycles just like this one. As the excavator returns for another pass, listen to the sound of the diesel engine and hydraulics working together. Heavy equipment fans know there's something incredibly satisfying about those deep mechanical sounds echoing across a job site. It's the sound of pure power and productivity. The Cat 385C has earned a strong reputation in the heavy equipment world for reliability and performance. Caterpillar designed this excavator specifically for demanding applications where machines need to operate for long hours under tough conditions. Dust, mud, rough terrain, and heavy loads are all part of daily life for equipment like this. Now watch how the operator approaches the pile for the second pass. Notice the bucket angle and the way the machine positions itself before digging. Skilled excavator operators know exactly how to maximize bucket fill while reducing unnecessary stress on the machine. It may look simple from the outside, but operating equipment at this level takes years of experience. Another full bucket is on the way, and once again the excavator swings smoothly toward the truck. You can really appreciate the balance and stability of the Cat 385C during these loading cycles. Even while carrying an extremely heavy load high in the air, the machine remains steady and controlled. The truck below starts filling quickly. In mining and earth-moving operations, efficiency is everything. Companies rely on machines like this to move massive quantities of material every day. A high-production excavator paired with the right trucks can dramatically increase productivity while reducing operating costs. And there's another clean dump into the truck bed. That's 2 passes already, and you can see how much material has been loaded in such a short amount of time. This is why the 3-pass loading setup is so important. The goal is to fill the truck efficiently without underloading or overloading it. Proper load balance helps improve hauling performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. The Cat 385C continues dominating the worksite as it swings back for another load. You can see the giant steel tracks gripping the ground while the upper structure rotates smoothly into position. Everything on this machine is engineered for durability and heavy-duty performance. One thing a lot of people don't realize is how demanding mining and construction environments can be for equipment. Machines work in dust, heat, rain, mud, and uneven terrain for hours at a time. Reliability becomes incredibly important because downtime on a job site can cost thousands of dollars every single hour. As the excavator digs into the pile again, you can see chunks of material falling away under the force of the bucket. The hydraulic cylinders on this machine generate massive breakout force, allowing the bucket to penetrate dense material with ease. Caterpillar machines are known worldwide for this kind of strength and durability. Now here comes the third pass. This is where the operator carefully tops off the truck load. Precision matters here because overloading can create safety issues and reduce hauling efficiency. Experienced operators know exactly how much material each truck can safely carry. And there it is. Another perfect load dropped cleanly into the truck. 3 passes, truck nearly full, and the entire cycle completed with smooth, efficient operation. Watching giant excavators work this efficiently is honestly satisfying. There's a rhythm to it that heavy equipment fans really appreciate. As the loaded truck prepares to move out, another truck will eventually take its place, and the cycle begins all over again. Mining and earth-moving operations are non-stop environments where every machine has a role to play. Excavators, loaders, trucks, bulldozers, and support equipment all work together to keep production moving around the clock. The Cat 385C itself is an impressive example of engineering. Its massive boom and stick allow it to reach deep into material piles while maintaining precise control. The hydraulic systems provide the strength needed for heavy digging, while the operator controls allow surprisingly smooth movements for a machine this large. You can also appreciate the visibility from the operator's cab. Modern excavators are designed to improve comfort, safety, and visibility because operators often spend long shifts inside these machines. A comfortable operator can stay focused longer and maintain better productivity throughout the day. The overall scale of the worksite is impressive too. Huge piles of earth, giant trucks, wide haul roads, and massive equipment everywhere. Mining and large construction projects operate on a completely different scale compared to normal construction jobs most people see every day. As the excavator continues loading trucks, the repetitive cycle becomes almost hypnotic. Dig, lift, swing, dump, return, repeat. There's something relaxing about watching such a powerful machine perform with this level of precision and consistency. Heavy equipment videos have become incredibly popular online because people genuinely enjoy seeing giant machines in action. It's not just about the size of the equipment. It's about the skill, coordination, engineering, and raw mechanical power involved in these operations. The Cat 385C remains one of the most respected hydraulic excavators in the heavy equipment industry. Operators appreciate its power and reliability, while equipment fans admire its size and performance. Machines like this represent the backbone of mining and earth-moving operations around the world. As another truck moves into position, the excavator immediately gets back to work. There's no wasted time here. Every cycle matters, and efficient operation keeps production moving at maximum speed. You can tell this operator has mastered the machine. Every swing is controlled, every bucket load is balanced, and every dump lands exactly where it needs to. That kind of precision only comes from experience and hours behind the controls. The deep engine noise, the movement of the hydraulics, the dust rising from the ground, and the constant flow of material all combine to create that classic heavy equipment atmosphere that machinery fans love. It's loud, dusty, demanding, and incredibly satisfying to watch. As we continue watching this massive Cat 385C excavator loading trucks in 3 passes, it's easy to understand why these machines are so respected across the mining and construction industries. They combine power, efficiency, and durability in a way that few machines can match. Thanks for watching this incredible Cat 385C excavator loading operation. If you enjoyed this heavy equipment action and want to see more giant excavators, mining machinery, dump trucks, loaders, and construction equipment at work, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your favorite heavy machine. There's plenty more massive equipment action coming soon.